Efforts plus grace is equal to result. As an organizer, human effort is essential. When it becomes effortless effort is natural, then it is a life patterns. When I breathe the fresh air, I do not feel effort. It's an effortless effort. When anyone consciously breathes, it is a conscious breath with efforts. How many say that, wait, let me breathe? Breathing happens effortlessly, naturally. When many know through a peculiar awareness of the breathing techniques with conscious approach, then it becomes power within. Every body cell has got more than 3 volts or some 4 volts of electricity. Trillions of body cells are there in human body. If it gets activated to that electricity power within, we can feel that there is power to heal and cure many diseases, along with the feeling of blissfulness and happiness too. Almost all yogis know that the power can be created within through various kinds of meditations. Power pranayama, power mudras, so that is an effort. When it becomes effortless effort, uninterrupted consciousness and power and various things can be experienced by human species in this planet. That's why this planet is so wonderful for human beings to fix the mind on the process of evolution. This planet is for evolution. Me 7. It's a powerful concept of moving around with energizing methodologies. I say 7 important things are there for organizing me spirituality, me soul, the advanced way. I 3. First thing is professionalization of spirituality, high gradation of spirituality, divinitization of spirituality, exemplarization of spirituality, characterization of spirituality, renovation of spirituality, magnetization of spirituality. There, many can feel that personality development also happens with highest clarity of the purpose and its methodologies. is essential. What is grace then? The grace is there everywhere in this planet and beyond the planet in the cosmic consciousness. There the invisible power source bestow the grace invisible. No one can control the gravitational force from this planet. No one can control the 5 elements. So human beings have got limitations. Then the God consciousness, the supreme or super conscious, they have no limitations at all compared to human species. That's why that type of awareness is essential for knowing the universal love, the global reality. And beyond the human mind, there are some realms that can bestow the power of grace, the power of love, the power of knowledge, the power of various things with which many can feel that life is so blissful in this planet. In the highest 3 syllabus, the straight right, straight left, and straight, there is clarity of a vision and a mission for business. So many can feel how invisibly, sometimes miraculously, so many things are getting manifested for the sake of results for their beautiful life, wonderful life. It's not a belief system. It's a conscious system. Those who are in the mode of creativity, creative consciousness, they know what can be the future. They don't have to predict looking at various objects or tendencies. If anybody moves through a highway, many can think that the next junction, that is the route where many can predict. But no one can predict certain things that beyond predictions of human. There are certain extra sensory perceptions or intuition is essential. That is where when I say the Kali age has ended and a new millennium is emerging, it is not just a belief system of humans, perceive a transformative change that is what to happen for the sake of the millennium evolution and the evolution of human species. So millions of souls are there. They have descended to this planet. There is meaning for searching such souls through spirituality also. It is not human beings who search for God. It's God who is searching for the real souls. They have descended. Then there is more meaning for activities. That's why I say efforts plus grace is equal to the souls get together anywhere, everywhere for the sake of allowing the mind to expand towards divinity, towards the entire cosmos. I'm here in this planet. I'm searching for missiles. soulmates who can understand and digest. M is spirituality. 3 programs are made for them. Invitation to glory. Learn M is spirituality leisurely. Create your own destiny. It's a spiritual space that matters to create destiny. Me 7 allows many to think about their own vision for various purpose, multi-purpose, in which many are going to systematically approach the new millennium process. Then Nij Yoga system of evolution helps the souls to evolve faster than before. That's why Nij Yoga meditations, Nij Yoga system of evolution expands the awareness of Say Yoga. And I say to me brand soul, I am in between Satya Sai and Prem Sai, Nija Sai. 22 bars 7-9. Along with practicality. INR 36 plus 3, 39 lakhs per month. The efforts of 3 powerful organizers, vision organizers, marketing organizers, and talent organizers. They also will get wonderful remuneration. Lavishly earned, lavishly spent. In me unit space, it is that type of awareness of spending too much is considered as rich in monetary benefits and business culture. Those who do not spend that money is futile. Those who spend too much, they distribute their wealth among all. So me brand souls should earn huge income and spend huge income. That's the way in which they can feel life everywhere under Nij Raja Yogi tree. Straight? Few words. Business, spirituality and prosperity tool. New concept for a new millennium. Satya. Love to you all. Few words only for